Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam games not launching or not opening on Windows. Quite easy and straightforward, so let me show you how. First of all, you need to make sure that your operating system is fully updated, so you need to go and search, right check for updates, and then press here, or simply write settings and then Windows Update will be here, check for updates. And then you need to make sure if your operating system is fully updated. And if it's not, just update it and restart your computer. Then you need to make sure that your GPU is fully updated. So you need to go to Device Manager. Then on Device Manager, go to Display Adapters, right-click on your GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. And if it's not the case, if the game is not working, open up Steam, find the game, right-click on it, properties, and installed files, verify integrity of the game files. And then after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go on Browse, look for exe file. If you cannot see an exe file, you need to go to View, Show, select File Name Extensions, and then you should find exe file, right-click on it, Properties, Compatibility, make sure to select these two options here, and apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to flush your Steam DNS. Flush your DNS settings, right? So the first thing what you need to do here is to write run, and then on run tab here you need to write steam 2 dots 2 forward slashes flush config and / and hit OK. And after that, restart Steam and look if the problem persists or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.